In this video, we'll break down practical strategies that renovation contractors can use to win more jobs. Clients compare multiple contractors, expect faster responses, and demand transparency. Many contractors lose jobs not because they lack skills, but because of poor processes. The first contractor to respond often has the highest chance of winning the job. Fast communication shows trust. Using simple systems like templates and lead tracking helps ensure you never miss an opportunity. Clients trust contractors who present clear estimates, which shows transparency and builds confidence in your work. Avoid sending rough or unclear numbers. A detailed estimate not only wins trust but reduces disputes. Clients don't just buy services, they buy trust. Showing past work, testimonials, builds confidence quickly. The more trust you build early, the easier it becomes to close deals and win projects. Winning more jobs is about staying organized. Contractors with better systems respond faster. Using structured systems instead of scattered tools reduces mistakes and improves overall performance. Many contractors lose jobs because they don't follow up. A simple reminder can bring clients back. Follow-ups should feel helpful, not pushy. Sharing additional details can increase your chances. Top-performing renovation contractors don't rely on luck. They build systems that help them win more jobs. Tools like 123 Works help renovation contractors manage leads, create professional estimates. To win more jobs this year, focus on speed, professionalism, trust, organization, and consistent follow-up. If you want to win more renovation projects and grow your business, start by improving your systems. Book your free demo and see how 123 Works helps you track costs, manage projects, profit. Thank you for watching. Please like and share.